garage?
I don't know.
So open the garage door.
It's gonna come upstairs. We gotta keep it as a pet.
There's no window open. There must be a window open. How we got in? You see the cat?
Sorry, cat. The cat was jumping on stuff down there.
Oh my god.
All right, let me go open the door. The garage door. Let me come out.
But mommy, I think I locked it though.
So you gotta go in from the garage.
Well,
You gotta get in.
you locked it from.
He locked it from the inside.
Close.
Oh, you go. So I'm gonna have to.
Oh.
No, mama, no.
You want to
Grandma, no.
You sure?
Crowbar with you.
The light is on.
Yeah.
What color is it? We could choose.
Go down there and shop with us.
No. He locked it.
That cat better not pass mommy.
I'm going to defend my grandma.
Mommy, take something with you, a stick.
Grab my bicycle. Got the Yeezys.
I don't see no cat. Where did they see
Grandma, it's grandma. Uncle, are you lying?
No.
cat? The light is on. I don't see it. Where it came from?
It's probably hiding.
Jumping on the back.
It's too cold for this. Gotta protect you. Oh my god. Where is it? Low-key scared. Cause what if I get raped? Grandma! Oh my god. I'm scared. Grandma?
I
Uh-oh.
don't see it. Is it there?
Grandma, if I go any further, I'm not trying to get rabies.
Shut up. I have the door open. I'm gonna leave it open so they could come out.
I'm scared.
Go open the front door for me.
The front door?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Freak this shit. Okay.
What happened?
She said to go open the door and that she don't see it. The front door. Why are you?
This garage door is open. I don't see where everything is closed.
Well, in case maybe it's hiding inside one of the boxes.
That's what I said. It's probably hiding.
Yeah.
So something else can come in. We can't just leave it open.
You didn't see nothing?
No.
I'm seeing it.
Pray for my grandma, bro. Marcia Welch. She only 62.
Mommy, have a stick to hit the boxes.
Grab the fire extinguisher. Here, I get the shoot for you.
Where's the stick?
Right there, look. Grab this.
No, I need a longer stick.
Grab the ladder, yeah. I'm scared. It's slipping. No, but like, the garage was half open. Grandma, he said in the back, so it's not there probably. In the very back.
Huh?
He said in the bag. It's probably in the very back. Like all the boxes in the back and stuff.
It's probably left there, Mama.
He said it probably left, but we need the Christmas tree.
I don't see it.
It probably left in.
What's the problem?
It's probably not here.
Nothing.
Okay, then let's get the Christmas tree and close the garage.
I'm gonna get the Christmas tree.
get the Christmas tree.
Gotta move on.
Okay, well, this is our Christmas tree, y'all. I love how it has the white things. We didn't have this last year, I think. Just upstairs somehow. I should my it is very bad, boy. My sugar on my tongue. This boom back upstairs. Uncle! Grandma needs help getting the Christmas tree up here.